Hello, welcome to this RTX course on edX. My name is Ahmed and I am one of your course administrators. In this video and the next two, let us learn how to use the discussion forum. The discussion forum is an online forum in which participants can ask questions, start discussions, and find posts by other participants. In this short video, we are going to look specifically at some best practices of the forum. Learn how to post questions effectively and find the answers to your questions by searching through posts. Let us get started now. In RTX courses, there are two main ways to post the forum. The first is through the top level discussion banner, where you click on discussion tab to enter the forum. This method provides you access to all courses posts. Here, you have a handy box on how to use edX discussions. There are a number of ways to find existing discussions. First, you can filter posts based on specific topics. Without filtering, as you will see here, the forum will show all posts on every topic. Click here to search based on different topics. Staff has sorted topic names based on learning sequences in the course. By clicking on a topic, you will find all the posts regarding that part of the course. For example, to see some general questions and discussions, click General. And here we have posts. In other cases, the different modules in the course will be divided into separate sections centered around a common topic. Second, you can find posts by searching for keywords. Click on magnifying glass to do so and type in a keyword. For example, if we type the word hello and click enter, we can find all the posts with the word hello. Finally, you may sort by date here through recent activity. You can sort by most comments through most activity or by most votes within a specific post. You have the ability to upvote a post, which means to move up on the forum list so other people will see. In addition, you will also have the ability to follow certain posts if you would like to receive updates. In terms of what posts are shown, you can select show all, show unread posts, or just show unanswered posts. Therefore, that is how you search for the posts.